VEDA day 3, and I'm getting ready to go to. We just got through at the baby shower. Say hi. Hi. It's my grandmother. We just got through at the baby shower. She got a lot of really cute stuff. She got some bouncers, one that can turn into a rocker. I didn't know that could do that. She got them their crib for him. She got blankets, this really cute blanket that someone had made for her. It said, I love mommy and I love daddy. It was so cute. She got car seat. It was really cute.
A lot of clothes.
A lot of clothes.
A lot of clothes.
Diapers, which is good. Babies need diapers, if some of you didn't know that. So that's what those things are. And this is why you never go to Walmart the day before Easter. Or on any holiday, really. It was worse earlier. Chug it.
Remember our Sasquatch episode of Marley and Care?
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yes, I do. I remember.
Go, go, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug, 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 chug. Woo! Woo! Don't do that.
How do you feel?